Good evening, everyone. It is June 9th, 2017. We're doing a quick, actually a quick one-box break for Raymond in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of 2016-17 O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey. This was the last personal box of 16-17 O-Pee-Chee Platinum. We had a couple more boxes, but they are in our Stanley Cup Finals mixer that is in the store. We got 19 spots left. It's going to be a great mixer, including Cup Hockey, including a box of Cup Hockey that came out of a 6-box master case. That would be the third out of 6, and I think there's going to be a monster in that Cup Hockey box. Don't miss out, guys. Alrighty, guys. A couple more packs to go. I'll get this quick one-box break going. Last pack. There we go. Whoa. Sorry about that, guys. Ugh. All right, good luck, Raymond. Josh Morrissey, retro rookie. Alex Elchenyuk, puck personas. Here's an Austin Matthews, PG Platinum rookie. Oliver Bjorkstrand, rainbow rookie. Platinum Phenom Zach Parise. And we have an Anthony Mantha, retro rookie for the Red Wings, gold, 129 of 149, gold rainbow. Patrick Laine. And Miles Wood, rookie autograph. Matt Duchene. Jesse Pulser-Jarvie, retro rookie. Tim Panarin. UC Jokinen. Hobby exclusive rainbow orange, 10 of 25. And John Tavares, seismic gold, 12 of 50. Oh, he's got a couple golds, orange. Nice little box for you, Raymond. Here's your boy Chabot from Ottawa. Put him in a penny sleeve for you. Top load that. And Nikolai Ehlers. So there you go, man. That was your quick personal box. Solid box. A lot of nice color in there. Rookie Miles Wood, Patrick Laine, Mantha, and an Austin Matthews rookie. Not bad right there, man. JaspysHobbyLand.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.